Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here coming at you with another watch review video. And today I've got something really exciting to share. It has now been over 1 year since I started the channel, Dave the Watchman, on YouTube. I am actually at the 13th month, so it is a year and 1 month because I did start the channel on February 14th of 2024. And it is now March 14th, 2025. So it has been 1 year and 1 month. I have been away for a little bit. In case you haven't noticed, I haven't really been posting a lot of videos in the past month or so, or past couple of months. I did go back out on the road as a full-time paramedic, so I have been very, very busy. I had a lot of other things that I needed to take care of, some hurricane damage from the last hurricane and things that needed to be handled. But I am back with some more videos. I have had these watches they've been sitting here waiting for me to do a review probably for about a month and a half now. And honestly, I cannot even remember which watches are even in these packages. So I am just going to open them up. I will post links to them in the description below. Those will be affiliate links. So if you do like any of these watches and you want to head on over, you can just click on the link and it will bring you on over. They are affiliate links. They do send a couple of dollars over to me. And if you do want to purchase these watches and you do click on that link, it is very much appreciated. So once again, I'm going to open up these watches. In case you haven't seen this channel before, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman with my buddy Shrody Cat here. Because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel when you hit that subscribe button, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what keeps me going here on YouTube. So once again, I just wanted to shout out to all my current subscribers and say thank you guys all so much, because you guys are the ones that help keep this channel going. And without further ado, let's tear into some of these packages and show you guys what I have on the table today. Like I said, ordered these about 2 months ago. They've been sitting around for about a month, and I have absolutely no idea what's in these boxes. Okay, so this is a LIGE watch. Looks kind of like a Seamaster style. And LIGE is a very nice watch for a very, very, very low price. I do have a couple of them in my collection here, and I am always very impressed with their quality for the price. And this one looks like it's really no exception to that rule. It's a very, very nice looking watch. Like I said, I can't really remember what I paid for these, but I will do individual reviews on all of these watches in the coming month or so. So definitely stay tuned to the channel for that if you want to see more about what each individual watch entails. And I do believe this is obviously going to be a mineral crystal watch. Let's see what it says on the back here. We got stainless steel, water resistant. I'm not sure if it's water resistant other than for washing your hands. But nonetheless, it is a very nice looking watch by LIGE. LIGE does make a lot of nice looking watches for a good price. And like I said, I will be going over all of these watches today. I'm just kind of unboxing because I've had these watches sitting around for so long, and I really just wanted to get something up and going, and I wanted to acknowledge my 1 year anniversary. So I'm just kind of opening up these boxes and just kind of showing you guys what I have in them today. So this isn't one of my typical review videos where I go over all the details of each individual watch and go over the pricing and all of that stuff. But I did buy these watches on Aliexpress. So this is an Aliexpress haul, not an Amazon haul. And once again, I will go over all of these watches in detail in another video for each one of the watches. But offhand, it's a really nice looking watch. It's the same quality that you would expect to receive from a LIGE watch. Not too horrible, not too great, but a really nice watch and a nice looking watch nonetheless. So let's take a look at what we have next here. So I do have another LIGE watch here. So it looks like I got 2 LIGE watches. And then what do we have in here? Okay, that's a bracelet sizing tool. And looks like it comes with a cleaning cloth. It's a NAVIFORCE watch. NAVIFORCE is also another one along the same lines of LIGE, where it's not too cheap, not too expensive. They're good quality watches for the price. Definitely a good buy. And what do we have here? This one is, okay, this one's a much larger watch. I do like my large watches. You guys know that if you've seen my channel already. You know I like to pick up big watches. I really do like the large watches. This is also a NAVIFORCE watch, so this is pretty similar. It looks like it has a pretty similar design as far as the placement of all of the gauges and the dials. But let's see here. Let's pull this out here and get it going. Okay, and I really do love the NAVIFORCE watches because they put that little N on the second hand, which I think is kind of cool. And they do have a lot of nice styling with these NAVIFORCE watches. They're good quality for a very, very low price. Like I said, I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy that likes his watches. I like to buy them, I like to wear them, and I like to review them. And I am always looking for the budget-friendly watches as opposed to the more expensive luxury watches. I do go into some Seiko and Belova and things like that, but for the most part, I try to stick within the more extreme budget-friendly range. And the watches that I have in the collection here are a year or two old, and they all work very, very well, with the exception of a couple where the batteries have died. And I've had a couple of problems with some of the watches, but nothing crazy. And honestly, for the price that you're paying for most of these lower end watches, you're not really out much if the watch doesn't end up working out for you. But anyhow, this watch here, also stainless steel. And let's see what it says for water resistance. It's a 3 ATM water resistance, so it's not horrible, but it's not going to get you diving. It looks like the bracelet is pretty solid. Once again, I haven't unwrapped any of this stuff, so I can't really give you a true idea of what it's like. But anyhow, this is another LIGE, or this is a NAVIFORCE watch, and this is a LIGE watch. I wonder why it came in a LIGE. Oh wait, no, this is okay. Yeah, so this is LIGE, and this was the NAVIFORCE watch. So I do have two LIGE watches and a NAVIFORCE watch. And let's see what else I have here in the package. This is, oh, okay. This is another NAVIFORCE watch, and I actually bought this because it was similar to one of the Aviate watches that I bought, which I don't even know if I have here. Hold on a second. Yeah, I don't have it here with me, but this does look very, very similar to the Aviate watch that I have, and I will actually, when I do the video on this watch, I will pull that for reference and compare them side by side. But yeah, let's see here. So yeah, I will compare them side by side when I do get them here, but it is very, very, very similar to the Aviate watch that I purchased a couple of months ago, or toward the end of last year anyway. So there's another one right there. It's a nice aviator looking watch by NAVIFORCE. And I do have, I think, one more, right? Or is that it? Was that all three? Oh, nope. I do have one more right here. Okay, so this is the last LIGE watch. Let's take a look at this one. Comes with all of the instructions and warranty information and all of that. And right here, it looks like, okay. All right, so that's kind of a sharp looking watch. It feels a little bit light. It does, let me see, what does it say? Okay, it says 5 ATM water resistant, all stainless steel. So I'm pretty sure we're talking about mineral crystals on probably all of these watches here, and not an extreme amount of water resistance. This band kind of feels, I don't know, it's not really a silicone, but it's more of like a plasticky type of a feel on the band. I don't know how comfortable it's going to be. I'll give it a shot and try it out and let you guys know how it feels. But I'm not a huge fan of silicone bands anyway. But maybe this one feels a little bit better than the regular silicone bands. But either way, Really nice watches here. I can't remember the price that I spent for this haul, but I'm pretty sure it was not a ton of money. But like I said, did get it all on AliExpress, and it's been sitting here for about, I don't know, month and a half or 2 months or so. Um, but anyhow, that's what we have today. I will, like I said, go into all of these watches in more detail in different videos. I just wanted to get them open, put out a video here, let you guys know that I've been here for just over a year now, 1 month and 1 year and 1 month, because the anniversary date is the 14th. And I just wanted to say thank you guys all so much for making it a great year for me. You guys propelled me into monetization status very, very early on, and all of the affiliate sales do help out as well. So if you guys are interested in any of these watches, I will post the links in the description below so you guys can check them out for yourself. AliExpress does have a really good return policy, so if you don't like any of these watches, you contact them, and you can always, most of the time, shouldn't say always, but most of the time, you can return it back without any hassle. So if they don't work out for you, you're not really stuck with any of them. But I'd have to say, out of all the watches that I have here today, I'd probably say my favorite one is probably this one. It looks kind of like an Omega Seamaster type watch. It's got that styling. I love the dial on the back. The wave pattern on the dial, and I love the blue and the red. So I'd probably say out of all of these watches, this would probably be my favorite one out of the collection today. So with that said, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up. Liking and subscribing always does help out every time you guys hit that subscribe button. And I could not thank you guys more. So thank you guys all so much for bringing me over the year mark and helping me get monetized. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys are great. Thank you so much. Till next time, I'm Dave the Watchman, and I will see you guys all in the next watch review video. And also, if you want to check out my website at davethewatchman.com, you can check out all the watches that I have there, and affiliate links that'll bring you right on over to any of the watches that I have on my website. And like I said, those affiliate links really do help out. So thank you guys all so much. Shrody says bye. You guys all have a great day.